Let's solder and make art together while I tell the whimsical story of Liri the Dragonfly. Liri is a little dragonfly character based on my artwork. I wanted to generate a cute little whimsical series about her and her little dragonfly adventures. And so I hope that you will all join me in the first part of our series, The Dragonfly in the Still Pond. The Dragonfly and the Still Pond. In a quiet meadow, where the sun spilled gold over tall grasses and wildflowers, a dragonfly named Liri lived by a still pond. Her wings shimmered like glass in the light, flashing blues and greens with every flutter. Liri wasn't like the other dragonflies. She didn't just skim the surface of the water. She lingered, hovered, and listened. She'd always been curious about the pond's stillness. While others darted through the reeds, Liri asked the frogs about the stars reflected in the water and listened to the lilies whisper secrets of the wind. One warm evening, as dusk painted the sky in shades of amber and violet, Liri spotted something unusual, a ripple in the center of the pond. It wasn't from a fish, nor a falling leaf. It pulsed gently, rhythmically, like a heartbeat. Drawn by wonder, Liri flew closer and hovered over the ripple. She saw her own reflection, but it blinked back. Then softly a voice echoed from beneath. "You see me, don't you?" Startled but brave, Liri replied, "Yes, who are you?" "I am the spirit of the pond," the voice said. "Few stop long enough to notice. You did, and for that I offer a gift." A soft breeze stirred the water, and a tiny droplet rose, glowing, touched Liri's wings. Suddenly she saw the world in 1,000 colors. Every gust of wind had a melody, every flower a story. And from that day on, Liri became the storyteller of the meadow, and every creature paused to listen, not just to her wings, but to the wonder in her words. I just absolutely love that story. And so I want to do and create more based on Liri and her little experiences and maybe her friends. I'd like to start a whole little series about Liri. Let me know what you guys think. And this is kind of fun and something new. And if you're liking this content, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. It helps my channel grow. Thanks a lot, guys. And I will see you again soon. Have a great day, everybody.